When it comes to resorts with great amenities, a stunning location, easy access and plenty of things to do, you don't have to look much further than the Los Sueños Resort. Welcome to Los Sueños Resort. I'm Adam Baker. Join me as we explore this incredible property that's best experienced by booking with Stay in Costa Rica. Los Sueños Resort is found just over an hour away from San Jose and its international airport on the Central Pacific coast, meaning getting here takes no time at all. Los Sueños has an abundance of options when it comes to lodging, everything from 1, 2 and 3 bedroom condos which vary in style and luxury, all the way up to exclusive private villas that overlook the whole property. On site you'll be welcomed by sweeping views of the 18-hole golf course under a vast curtain of lush rainforest and beyond to the azure blue water of the Pacific Ocean, where sport fishing is a real highlight of the area. Minutes away you'll find plenty of thrilling activities. Experience the adrenaline rush of a zipline canopy excursion, or maybe explore rainforest trails via an ATV tour. The nearby beaches offer some great surfing, and if you're looking to spend more time on the water, a day trip to Tortuga Island offers a picture-perfect location for sun, sea and sand. Access to the exclusive beach club is included for all our guests. It's the ideal spot to soak up the sun. If you're hosting a party, family or group occasion, the luxurious Los Sueños villas are the place to do it. Stay in Costa Rica will be your point of contact throughout your visit and are based right in the heart of the lively marine village. Expect warm, welcoming, friendly faces at check-in as you collect your keys.
Los Sueños, it's a high-end luxury resort with a casual atmosphere. It's 1,000 acres. 50% of the resort is protected and will never be developed. Inside of the property, you'll have amenities, beach club, golf course, condominiums, private houses. It's a very unique property because families can share their vacations without losing their privacy. It's centrally located, close to all the activities that have made Costa Rica so famous. It's 7 minutes away from Jaco, which is a local beach town where our clients can go visit restaurants and do some shopping very close from the resort. Something that makes Stay in Costa Rica very unique is our 24/7 concierge service. We're here every day, every night to help our clients have a fantastic vacation. For myself and all the staff at Stay in Costa Rica, we look forward to your next visit to Los Sueños Resort.
For more information on a stay in Los Sueños Resort, visit stayincostarica.com.